What's going on, people? This is Kelvin Kidd, and today is Friday. I haven't traded yesterday, simply because it had nothing going on for me to trade, and I don't push trading if you don't see, what you gotta see to trade. So I wouldn't recommend that on anybody to do that because that's how you can get yourself in losses. But this is NZD/USD. I see something forming. If you go on the daily, start out on the monthly. See that? See this? Impulse. Broke this down candle. Looking for a pullback, right? Right back into it. And it's looking like it can go up. But this is a monthly candle, so it might, do all this before it actually prints that candle. The weekly looks like that. As you can see, it came out, broke it, tapped back into it. I think it could come down a little bit more. And let me just do this. They don't necessarily have to do this, people, but this is like levels, like you can get reaction points off of and trade off of. Come on. Yeah, and trade off of. But that's the weekly. The daily. As you can see, we're looking at that bounce that happened up there. Come on. Strike out things. Strike it a little more. Alright, cool. Alright, we're looking at that bounce right here. You got this small impulse. Pull back into it just a little bit. I don't think that's enough power, but I think it could come down and tap it again for a double bottom. On the 4 hour, we're getting more details to it. This will be my area to trade in, right here. So if it can come down to this line, this purple line or this blue line, I'm considering a trade. But if it doesn't and it continues up, I'm gonna just have to let this one pass. So you gotta wait for these things to happen. If it don't happen how you want it to happen, just simply wait till the next day or the next week and just hold out and just see how it reacts and document the way it happens if it don't turn out your way. So that's what I'm waiting on. I won't execute unless it get to those areas, and that's it. So other than that, man, just wait and just wait. That's what it's looking like. See that? Gotta map out your story, people. Gotta map out your story. That's the monthly down candle. That's the weekly level. This is the monthly down candle, purple to purple, weekly level. Then we get more into depth. The daily level. This is a 4 hour this purple right here, 4 hour down candle. Daily, weekly. No, this is the daily up candle. Daily level. Then you get down to your 4 hour levels. So you gotta make it make sense, people. If you can't read it, then like I said, you're gonna be lost in the sauce in these charts. So that's what I'm waiting on. We'll see if we get it, but if we don't get it, we'll just wait till next week and start our phase 2. Other than that, in the target is 250. I thought it was 200, but it's 250. Last time I checked when I upgraded. But yeah, man, we not too much worrying about all that. This is the same game for me. So if I see it, I trade. If I don't, I wait. So let's just drop down to our 15, see what that looks like. Might get, see, you get all that noise. See how you get noise and you don't, and for people that don't know, like let's say we know we in this down candle, right? And once it gets breached, I'm waiting on that move to happen. And it happened, right? I can't really put a pinpoint on it. Let me see. That's where the move happened at, right? We got that impulse. Bam. That big old impulse. Let's just see where that's at. Yeah, right here. See that? Boom. Look at that big old impulse. And what it pulled back to? The structure. You see that right there? Bam. I just dragged that along. Boom. What you got out of that? You got a reaction point, right? So on them lower time frames, let me see. Hold on. So on the lower time frame, lower than the 1 hour, you could have got good trades. Let me see. Let's just go to the 5 minute. Check that out. See that? Same thing, people. Same thing. So if you know this happens on a 5 minute, the 15 minute and 5 minute, what you think gonna happen right here? Come on, let's pull that down. What you think gonna happen on that level? If we drop down to our 4 hour, what you think gonna happen on this level or this level? Same thing that happened on this level with that 5 minute, and that was the move right there. So come on, you guys, come on. If you're gonna trade, you gotta start taking this stuff serious and understanding these things, man, because these candlesticks, all this right here, it's stories. They got stories in those candlesticks, people. So take this stuff serious and try to understand it instead of just worrying about the money, man, because the skill is the most important thing you can have, because if you got the skill, you can damn near trade any obstacle, any instrument, any stock or any currency that's available. So man, the skies is the limit, people. Skies is the limit. You just gotta be patient and wait for those things to play out in your favor so you can take the trade and manage your risks in your trades. Other than that, man, that's what we waiting on. It's what time it is? 7:21. We're gonna see what New York do. If New York can push this thing down, I might consider a small buy in these areas. Take it back up, probably to this one area right here, to that level. But we gotta see how this come down. If it come down slow and choppy, like going up and down like this, and then shoot down, you gotta see how they come down. But if it can just spike down, spike back up, and then bounce, then go back down, and then shoot up, that's what I'm looking to happen. So, but other than that, man, nothing too much going on. Like I said, if I don't see it, I'm gonna just wait till next week and play it safe and then go enjoy my day. Well, work, because I do work a full-time job. So yeah, other than that, man, y'all get at me, man. I'm gonna update you guys on this and show you if this plays out to my favor and meets my criteria. If not, I'll see you guys Friday. Monday? I might not trade Monday. Tuesday. I might see you guys Tuesday. So y'all get at me, man. Y'all stay safe in these markets, man. What's going on, people? This is Calvin Kidd, and we're not too much doing nothing. It came down a little bit, but it tapped this area and kind of shot up a little bit, but it just been ranging, so we just held out, and we're just gonna wait till next week to see what it do, and most likely it's gonna shoot down, I'm assuming. But yeah, that's what we did. We just waited it out. It ain't too much happened, so we was forced to sit on our hands. And that's another thing. Is you patient enough to sit on your hands and wait for these markets to play out to your liking to trade, or you just hopping in any trade just to have just to be in the trade to trade. So if you're not at that level yet, people, I highly encourage you guys to go over yourself, your psychological when you're trading, and kind of work on that, because it's very important. But other than that, man, yeah, that's what we waiting on. See where we at? That's what we waiting on. So, I mean, you could have got some trades out of that, some scalps out of that, but I'm not looking at that in these areas, the middle areas. I want something closer to levels, because that's where the big move is gonna happen at. So yeah, today is Sunday. Well, no, it's not Sunday, Saturday. Been working, and Sunday we're gonna see what happens leading into Monday, and if it presents something real good Monday, I might consider getting in there, but I'm definitely not getting in on a Sunday. So because this thing can come down and shoot all the way down, so that's probably what it's setting up to do, to fake people out. So we're just gonna see what it do Monday. But other than that, y'all get at me, man. Stay focused and continue your grind, man. That's it. Holla.